What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another daily plyometric workout video. Today is day 17 of 30 of our jumping plyometrics part 3. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. If you're back for that daily work, I need you to comment down, let's work. We're also on the road to 7,000 subscribers, or less than 300 away. I really appreciate all the love and support everyone has been showing. It's only motivation for me to keep going harder and harder, keep putting that work in to prepare you guys for the season. As you guys can tell by that title, y'all know exactly what we're getting into today. So without further ado, let's get into it, y'all. The first thing we're gonna do is start off with line jumps. We have front, back, one set of 50, and then side to side, one set of 50. Let's get into it.
After the title, sleep, you can't keep up. I'm up all night to the sunrise. I don't care what you gotta say, ain't no time to conversate. Better move out of my way, cause I'm all about my cake. So what they know about it. What they know about it. So what they know So what they know about it. What they know
They don't know nothing. They don't know nothing.
I don't sleep, you can't keep up. I'm up all night to the sunrise. I don't care what you gotta say, ain't no time to conversate. Better move out of my way, cause I'm all about my cake. So what they know about it. What they know about it. So what they know So what they know about it. Find myself in good health, don't do nothing else. Building my wealth, know what time I'm on, do whatever I want, never answer the phone.
The next thing we're going to get into is for knee pain and also for knee recovery. This also helps with 1 foot jumping. As you can tell, I have a stool. You could also use a bench or a chair. I'll be leading by demonstration. We have 1 set of 12 on our left leg and also our right. So I'm here, both hands out, 1 leg up, and we're just sitting up just like that. We have 12 on our right, 12 on our left. Let's get into it. First, if you completed line jumps, I need you to comment down line jumps completed, so I know that you completed the first exercise. Now let's get into it.
Do what it was from the go. Act like you been here before. I got her working from home. I bring the heat when it's cold. Ice cold. Ice cold. Staring at the ice on my neck. She froze. You can see my heart through my chest. You know what it is, not what it was. You ain't stupid, but that ass is looking dumb. You only come around when I'm up. Ain't nothing new under the sun. Shawty is a mom, she for the streets. She can't play her role and stay low key. She don't cook or clean, she just sweet. Tryna show her birds and the beast.
If you guys just completed knee recoveries, I need you to comment down knee recoveries completed in the comments. Let's get into the next thing. Now we have penultimate step. If you do not know what that is, it's for my jumpers who like to gather right, left, explode, and also for my jumpers who like to gather left, right. We'll also go over in place vertical jump. We have 1 set of 12 each rep. To get into it, I'll be stepping right, left first.
Okay, if you say so, I already know. She always say she grown, don't act her age. Oh no, I know how to put her in her place. I can't see the haters through the shades. My heart cold like Gucci lemonade. Knew what it was from the go. Act like you been here before. I got her working from home. I bring the heat when it's cold. ice on my neck, she froze. You can see my heart through my chest.
Now I'm stepping left, right.
Knew what it was from the go. Act like you been here before. I got her working from home. I bring the heat when it's cold. Ice cold. Ice cold. Stared at the ice on my neck, she froze. You can see my heart through my chest. You know what it is, not what it was. You ain't stupid, but that ass is looking dumb. You only come around when I'm up. Ain't nothing new under the sun. Shawty is a mouse, she for the streets. She can't play her role, stay low key. She don't cook or clean, she just sweet. Tryna show her birds and the beast. Knew what it was from the go. Act like you been here before. I got her working from home.
Now we have one set of 12 and place vertical jumps. Let's get into it.
Ice cold. Stared at the ice on my neck, she froze. You can see my heart through my chest. Bye ho, finna get caught up. She was doing things that she wasn't proud of. Who you kidding, lady? Hell if I know. Okay, if you say so, I already know. She always say she grown, don't act her age.
If you guys completed your penultimate step, I need you to comment down penultimate step completed. The next thing we're going to do, finish off with lunges. I have 25 on the right, 25 on the left. Let's end it off.
What's from the go? Act like you been here before. I got her working from home. I bring the heat when it's cold. Ice cold. Ice cold. Stared at the ice on my neck, she froze. You can see my heart through my chest.
So guys, that sums up day 17 of 30. I hope that you guys continue to stay consistent. If you completed today's workout, I need you to comment down daily work completed. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend. We do 30-day challenges on my channel. We continue to grow and grow. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. Y'all stay tuned for day 18. We out.
You know what it is, not what it was. You ain't stupid, but that ass is looking dumb. You only come around when I'm up. Ain't nothing new under the sun. Shawty is a mouse, she for the streets. She can't play her role, stay low key. She don't cook or clean, she just sweet. Tryna show her birds and the beast. Knew what it was from the go. Act like you been here before. I got her working from home. I bring the heat when it's cold. Ice cold. Ice cold. Stared at the ice on my neck, she froze. You can see my heart through my chest. Bye ho, finna get caught up. She was doing things that she wasn't proud of. Who you kidding, lady? Hell if I know. Okay, if you say so, I already know. She always say she grown, don't act her age. I know how to put her in her place. I can't see the haters through the shades. My heart cold like Gucci lemonade. Knew what it was from the go. Act like you been here before. I got her working from home. I I'll bring the heat when it's cold. Ice cold. Ice cold. Staring at the ice on my neck. She froze. You can see my heart through my chest.